Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Poco X4 Pro 5G smartphone. On February 28, 2022, the Poco X4 Pro 5G smartphone was released. The mobile features a 6.67-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The Poco X4 Pro 5G is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. It has 8 GB of RAM. The Poco X4 Pro 5G has a triple camera configuration on the back, which includes a 108-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel camera, and a 2-megapixel camera. It includes a front-facing camera with a 16-megapixel sensor for selfies. The Poco X4 Pro 5G runs MIUI 13 and is powered by Android 11 with 256 GB of internal storage that can be increased through microSD card up to 1 TB. The Poco X4 Pro 5G is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM smartphone with nano SIM and nano SIM card slots. Laser blue, laser black, and Poco yellow are the three color possibilities for the gadget. It is powered by a 5000 mAh battery with 67W quick charging capability. It also has a fingerprint sensor on the side, an IR blaster, a 3.5mm audio connector, and twin stereo speakers. The Poco X4 Pro 5G comes in two storage configurations: 6 GB per 128 GB and 8 GB per 256 GB. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.